Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to make gradient text in Photoshop. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is have our text in Photoshop, and now we will click on the layer of that text. Next, we will right click on the layer and click on blending options. In the new menu that opens, we will look for the gradient overlay option. Now we will unfold the gradient menu and choose the one we like the most. Now we can modify the other options to our liking and depending on how we want our text and our gradient to look. And that's it. It's as simple as that. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in the next Tech Solutions video.